missed that. Roar. 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 Nope. Not today. I am in absolute shock, dude. That was the guy. That was the original guy that we had. I'm pretty sure of it. He's just been chilling there the whole time. I am almost like certain. Holy shit, dude. I cannot believe it. This guy has been sitting there the whole time. And the thing is, he's got one building to loot. I went through a whole freaking 5-stack thing, and the building next door, he's been sitting there purposely waiting for us. Wow. I can't. Holy shit, people are so passive. Oh my god. Holy shit. I have no words. No words. Them plebs, yo. Holy shit, tonight has been really... It's been like that. Just getting killed by someone in a corner that you don't know exists. What has PUBG become? Holy shit. Rip. Yeah, that guy got the award for the longest camping. He didn't even loot those bottom floors. Like, he has been camping there the whole time, just waiting. Just waiting. Holy shit, dude. Perseverance, yeah. I got a fright, dude. I didn't expect someone to be literally. And that two floors that I looted, he wasn't even moving. He wasn't moving. Not one bit. Not even a shuffle or a turn. He was just sitting there holding the whole time. So that's impressive. Impressive. Like, that you can have fun doing that for that long. Wow. Cheers, Synchro. The boys